Designing a house is more than sketching. It's a structured process that blends architecture, engineering, regulations, and the client's lifestyle. Architects don't just draw pretty pictures. They analyze sites, design structures, coordinate with engineers, and prepare the technical drawings builders rely on. Everything begins with a client briefing. The architect learns what the family needs: number of rooms, lifestyle, budget, style preferences, and future plans. The architect visits the site. They analyze the sun path, wind direction, slope, soil, access roads, views, noise sources, and nearby buildings. Based on the brief and site study, early sketches begin. Architects explore shapes, room placements, circulation paths, and rough massing. The first detailed design stage is the floor plan. Architects define room sizes, how spaces connect, and where doors and windows will go. Next, the architect designs elevations, the appearance of the house from each side. This includes materials, roof form, window proportions, and shading. A 3D model helps clients visualize the design. Architects use software like Revit, Archicad, SketchUp, or Rhino. Render software adds lighting, textures, and realism. Before drawings can be finalized, the architect works with a structural engineer. Columns, beams, lintels, roof loads, and foundations must align with the design. Mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems must fit within ceilings and walls. Architects coordinate lighting, outlets, plumbing lines, drainage, ventilation, and HVAC. The architect prepares detailed working drawings. These include plans, sections, elevations, details, schedules, materials, dimensions, and notes contractors need. All drawings go to the municipality for approval. Zoning rules, building codes, and safety regulations are checked. Only after approval can construction begin. The architect visits the site during construction to ensure the design is built correctly. They resolve issues, check measurements, and help guide the contractor. Inside, finishes are added. Flooring, ceilings, tiles, lighting, cabinetry, and paint bring the design to life. The architect ensures the finishes match the specifications. After inspections, snagging, and final checks, the house is complete. The architect hands over the finished project to the clients. From the first sketch to the final key handover, designing a house is a detailed process that blends creativity, engineering, and real-world construction. This is how architects design a home, start to finish.